on the mix. We turned the whole house into a booth. We in the kitchen. Let her cook.
Yeah, so today I'm going to be making creamy hot nachos. So as you guys can see here, I am cutting the tomatoes.
Move fast and do what you want. Got the sign for what I want. Hope you do what you want. What you want.
I know it's looking Sally Berry, but she don't love me, she's too scared. No, it's fun like Jackie Brown.
And now I am cutting the green onions.
Be my leading lady. I wanna touch like that, no baby. In the meantime,
That's what I want.
just in the meantime, gotta be so down.
As well as the onion, which I'm cutting in half.
You have to show my business in the hell. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna touch and get to know me, baby. In the meantime,
That's what I want.
just in the meantime,
If you wasn't so like it.
Now I set the skillet pan to medium high and put the ground beef into the skillet. For ground beef, you do not need to add oil because ground beef makes its own oil.
in the meantime,
That's what I want.
just in the meantime.
And then I'll just chop it up until it is a brownish color.
Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. Sit in the mirror, I got myself. Lonely myself, fuck my world.
Like a dead fruit. Bring your food up on my dreams. Don't fuck me up, don't let me.
So now that the meat is browned, I'm going to add the onion powder, smoked paprika, garlic powder,
Don't fuck me up, don't let me.
salt, pepper, and chili powder. I'm going to mix that together,
Slit your wrist, but I'm willing.
and now I'm going to add the onion, green onion, and the tomatoes. And now I'm going to add the refried beans and mix that together. Along with the black olive and the jalapeno peppers. Mix that together. And then I'm going to add the cheddar cheese. Mix it together. And then go ahead and put it into the bowl here. And this is how it came out. The only thing I forgot was the sour cream, but it was still really, really good. And right next to it, you guys can see that I added some salsa on side. So if you guys are interested in making it more, you can. Don't be afraid to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Just